They should, and it's going to take good imagination. It's Neymar! One thing, and he brings that to his game, but that sort of dynamism is another attribute he's blessed with, and it's revealed.
Playing their part in creating a glorious ambience. It's quite a struggle to get in here, points of access hard to come by, and an awful lot of people gathering to get through the gates, but regardless of that, there's a great feel here, and it's Luis Suarez! Oh, it's been intercepted. Eto'o, looking for the runner, and the whistle's gone, presumably for offside. Eto'o, Luis Suarez! Oh, split-second reaction.
I think he's done great there, both reading it and dealing with it.
Chelsea with their first corner, the first in the game for either side, actually. He's got tall. That's a half-decent try.
Yeah, it's good movement, though. A bit unlucky he couldn't actually steer it goalwards.
That is good alertness. And here's Eto'o. Neymar going face-to-face with his great rival. And he's managed to get rid. Chelsea finding their passes. No change to the score, 0-0 it remains. Rummenigge. Well read, nice interception. Costa Curta. And that interception was most necessary. And here's Griezmann. Pedri. Aims beyond the defence. Oh, easy pickings there. Gerrard. Plays a sharp little ball here. Pedri. Now it's Eto'o. And that is expertly dealt with. And he's cleared it out of harm's way. Not the most accurate pass. Tchouameni. It's Pedri. He's been picked out. Oh, no joy this time. A reprieve, albeit perhaps momentary. Well-timed, excellent interception. Well, nicely intercepted. Neymar. And a goal here would be the ultimate pick-me-up just before the break. Well read, and the danger is averted. And it's Gerrard. Has a shot! Denied by an instinctive save.
That's very, very good. You can't ask for much more than that.
Chelsea have their second corner now. And now they can spring out of defence. Oh, super find. Oh, that pass isn't the best.
Well, he certainly wasn't in the mood to take any risks.
Now it's Gerrard. Now that looks a decent
There will
ball.
be 1 minute added time.
And into the grateful arms of the keeper. And the first half is done. Truth be told, perhaps it's not the game that many anticipated, but there is lots to be seen in it, lots to be taken from it. Plenty for the key figures to mull over, but it remains goalless. Any strong opinions on the first half?
It's been a pretty abject performance. No efforts at goal. I'm struggling to remember the last time we had that.
No goals at this stage, but certainly not devoid of action. It is 0-0 here at half-time. And if you're just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half.
At least there's always a plus side to a scoreless half. Defences are doing what they should, and it's going to take good imagination. It's Neymar! There it is! Dependability is one thing, and he brings that to his game. But that sort of dynamism is another attribute he's blessed with, and it's revealed on a regular basis too. Superb.
That is lovely, finished with amazing expertise.
Well, the ball flight may be unpredictable, but the predictable part was the technique. It screamed goal all the way.
Neymar!
Chelsea break the deadlock.
Well, listen, a few words of advice and encouragement from the manager during the break can often straighten things out, and it's paid off here.
Last-ditch defending, but that'll do. Well seen, saw that coming. Now it's Griezmann, works it forward. Now it's Messi. The pressing's intense, and it's paid off. Nicked it back promptly. Pedri.
The attendance for this match was
Rummenigge.
71,550.
Rummenigge finds himself offside.
Substitution on the field, number 17.
So time for change, and this one has been on the cards for a little while.
Well, he can certainly make his side a lot more unpredictable, Peter. You know, he has a very good eye for a pass and a tricky one at that.
Luis Suarez! Great build-up, it all deserved a better ending.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
Neymar. De Ligt promptly onto that, and that is that. He's played him through. Kimmich. And he can clear it away. Decent hit! And he hits the net! And with the match slipping away, they have hauled themselves off the canvas. Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
No other outcome there. That was bang in the corner, unstoppable.
Big chance! Really well taken goal. And the game is well and truly turned on its head.
Well, there's always a chance of being caught like that when you surrender the football.
Well, this is what we've been waiting for.
Well, that's really winded the opposition. You can see their manager screaming on the touchline, telling his team to calm down. But they'll need to do that pretty quickly. It's composure from here. There's a real appetite from them to finally put this game to bed. But will they?
Now it's Eto'o. Chelsea appear to be happy to let their front players stay up front all the time.
Well, it's signalling to the opposition that they're setting themselves up for the counter-attack. It's plain and simple.
And it's Eto'o. Now it's Neymar.
I thought it was going to happen then. How many more chances can they realistically expect now?
4 added minutes has been indicated.
No, that's been intercepted. Gerrard. It's an inviting looking ball, that. Oh, that's a key interception. There will be 4 extra minutes. And time is up. What a terrific response it was to